In today's video, we're counting down 5 powerful and innovative tools that can make your toughest DIY jobs faster, easier, and more efficient. From sharpening and sanding to cutting and leveling. First up, WorkSharp Tool Sharpener, an upgraded sharpening system designed to make sharpening faster, easier, and more precise. Its flexible abrasive belts conform to different blade shapes, letting you sharpen everything from kitchen and pocket knives to serrated blades, scissors, axes, and lawnmower blades. The 2-speed motor gives you extra control and power for heavier grinding jobs, while the Edge Guide helps create consistent results all the way to the tip. If you want sharper tools with less effort, the WorkSharp Tool Sharpener is a powerful upgrade for your workshop. Ladder Leveler Kit, designed to give you a safer, more stable setup on most aluminum and fiberglass extension, combination, and articulating ladders, rated up to 375 pounds. Its stainless steel double-row ratcheting system adjusts up to 10 inches in precise 3/16-inch increments, while the automatic safety lock keeps the leveler securely locked until the weight is removed. Heavy-duty swivel shoes with auto-engaging safety locks provide a strong grip, plus built-in 16D nail holes add extra versatility. TOLRET Rivet Nut Tool. Installing rivet nuts just got faster, easier, and more consistent. Its smart ratcheting mechanism securely fastens rivet nuts with less manual effort, while the quick change mandrels let you switch sizes without extra tools, saving valuable time on the job. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip and better control, helping reduce hand fatigue during long projects. Built with durable materials for demanding use, this tool delivers reliable, consistent results every time. Electric Drywall Sander. Say goodbye to exhausting sanding and clouds of drywall dust. Its powerful 7-amp motor offers 7 variable speeds from 900 to 1800 RPM, giving you precise control for everything from smooth finishing to heavy-duty sanding. The 360-degree floating swivel head follows walls, corners, and ceilings, while the integrated vacuum system captures up to 99% of fine dust, keeping your workspace cleaner. An adjustable extension pole and built-in LED lights make high walls and dark areas easier to reach and see. Mini Cordless Chainsaw. Need to cut branches fast without carrying a heavy chainsaw? This lightweight powerhouse delivers an impressive 26.2 feet per second cutting speed, while the brushless motor provides smooth, powerful, and low-noise performance. Its automatic oiling system keeps the chain lubricated with one push, and two 21V 2.0 amp-hour batteries provide extended outdoor runtime. Weighing just 2.2 pounds, it's easy to handle for pruning, gardening, cutting firewood, and storm cleanup. This compact chainsaw is a seriously convenient tool for your outdoor projects.